Hi, Jason with Intricate Coatings here. Rain or shine, we are working doing epoxy flooring. Today's project, huge shop. We're getting rid of the joint lines, grinding them smooth, zero lines showing once the floor is complete. 4,000 square feet. What I have here is a backer rod insertion tool. As easy as this. Let me know if you need any assistance finding this tool. It's very fast. Hey, it's Jason with Intricate Coatings. Just finished this shop floor. It's 4,000 square feet. And again, it's high gloss, 2 coats of clear. GoPro stop recording.